Hey guys, RTT back here for that video. Guys, today we are taking a look and unboxing the brand new Surface Duo 2 bumper case. Now this bad boy, I got one for my Surface Duo 1, and to be honest, it actually worked out pretty well. Now some people have told me that the adhesive ran off with the Surface Duo 1's one, and personally me, I did end up removing it. It's right here, but it actually did go ahead and then it served its purpose for as long as I had it on. So I will say it did not come off in any way. Again, like I said, I know some people have had issues with that, others have not. I personally have never had an issue with it, but this of course is for the Surface Duo 2, and I will definitely say Microsoft's packaging is so much better than any other company. Like, it's just not like me, you know, just going ahead and boosting their head up, but in all honesty, it's absolutely amazing, their packaging. I definitely love it, and this is simply what it is. So this of course comes in at $40 on the Microsoft store, or you could buy it elsewhere for $40. And what this goes ahead and gives you, of course, is protection around your whole entire device. Now, keep in mind, there is a case coming out sometime soon, which, of course, is going to go ahead and be similar to this. It's called the pen cover case, and it's pretty much the same concept. It's going to go ahead and actually be a case that lets you be able to have a bumper on the bottom while a silicone top, and that's where you can go ahead and actually charge your S Pen if you, your Surface Pen if you would like to. So let's see how this actually pops out. Oh, wait, timeout. Wait, what? Okay, so this is not all one piece like it is on this. This is actually different corners. Okay, so there's one gigantic piece right there, and then there's two corners. And this is interesting. This is not what I expected from the first one we got. First one we got, like I said before, right here is actually just two different pieces, and that's it. So this one is actually going to be... let me make sure I read the instructions. I don't put this on incorrectly. So we go ahead and open up this device right here. It should go ahead and just be a simple, let me go ahead and take off the adhesive. It should be just a simple slide right on. It should be just like the first one, but I don't know, that's interesting that they changed it. I don't know why they changed it actually. All right, hang on, let me make sure I do this correctly. So the small piece goes on the bottom, okay. All right, let me put this on. So it should go, if I can correctly align this up. Okay, this thing is actually frustrating here. Oh, okay. All right, let me... It's like impossible to actually hold it as you're doing it here. Okay, there we go. That's how you do it, boys. That's how you do it. Okay, let me make sure I hold this down just cause. Make sure I hold that down. Bam. All right, so you know, it's not the easiest always, man. It's not always the easiest. All right, we have an adhesive thing up here. So this is what it looks like without the bottom bumper on. Okay, it looks like, okay, feels a little bit different. It's not, I would say it's not even heavier. I was kind of expecting it to be a little bit heavier. All right, so this one is piece number 2, and this one goes actually on the second screen's top right here. So let's go ahead and take off the adhesive on this one. Like I said before, it's a little bit different than the first ones. You know, like putting it on just because it's a little bit different, but it's still easy as can be. All right, I'm literally looking at the camera while I'm doing this too. Keep that in mind, guys. All right, is that on correctly? Let me see. Yeah, that's on correctly. Okay, so we got that, and then our last piece is the bottom piece, and this one, surprisingly enough, does not go the way you think it would go. So this bottom piece, actually, the way it actually goes on here, it's like an L. So it actually goes on like this, and that makes sense because you don't want to cover up the USB-C port. So this is how this bottom piece goes on, and of course we do have some adhesive strips you gotta go ahead and peel off. Not adhesive, but just some strips that go ahead and tells us like what number they are and stuff like that. So we got that one, and then we got the top one right here. So go ahead and peel that off, and this is what it looks like, guys. So I did go ahead and get Glacier model, and the main reason why is because this is the only one available right now. If you do get any other colors, which it does come in different colors, they're currently not available until like November sometime. And to be honest, I kind of like the Glacier model. You guys can see the white on the Glacier. It just looks so good in my opinion. And to be honest, okay, I kind of like this. Okay, so the bumper 1 case, right? I was somewhat a fan of it because I thought it was really cool. I did like it for the fact of it was protecting my device, and it was actually a case that protected my device. But at the end of the day, it was like a chunky case. You guys can see this whole entire end was just the whole like right side of the phone was chunky. This other side was chunky too. This looks so elegant. Like, Microsoft really did a good job with this bumper case. I'm not sure how the bumper case is gonna look. And again, just freaking, I not mean to hit the camera. Just adhesive slips from the first case. But like I said before, I did not expect them to make this elegant. Like, that looks gorgeous. And I do like how literally all of this is not actually inside. The top is hit, but not the side, and this is all just free. So if I'm holding the phone like this, right, I don't even know there's a bumper case on there. Look at that. I could hold the phone like this and not even feel a bumper case on this phone while still having the protection of the corners, back, front, and top with the bumper case. That's a W. That's an absolute W by Microsoft. I like this. I will definitely say I like this. I think it looks good. I think it feels good. $40 is a lot. And that's the one thing I will say. I saw a lot of people telling me, $40 for a case, for a bumper case, not even a real case. And when you look at the price tag of the pen cover case, which is $60, you definitely get in that kind of ballpark of like, is this even worth it? Should I pick this up or not? And to be honest, I will say like this, okay? You're spending $1,500 for this cell phone right here. You gotta protect it. There's only a couple options on the market right now that you can actually pick up. You need to pick up this case or nothing else, because there's nothing else on the market. My whole entire video about it. But of course, you can wait literally 3 weeks, and in 3 weeks we're gonna have a case. A leather case is like $174, or you could get a case that is from Microsoft that is a silicone front with a bumper bottom. Now eventually Out of Box will come out with their case, so eventually we'll see something like that. But for right now, this is the best you're gonna get on the market, and I will say this looks absolutely gorgeous. I love it. I absolutely love it. And we're gonna have to see how long the adhesive strips hold up for it, because my adhesive strips from the first one, I'll tell you this right now, when I took this off the first one, this one absolutely was hard to take off because it was secure on there. So I'm not sure how I feel about, you know, the adhesive slips coming off, because some people say that they happen to them, but it never happened to me. Guys, if you did enjoy this video, hit the like, subscribe, and down below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.